So I figured I'd do something special for you guys today. Basically, I'm going to run multiple different drivers on the same exact box in the same exact location with the camera in the same exact position, the same volume level, the same amplifier, the same track, and I have zero crossovers. It's just a flat, wide open signal going to them, full range. And there's zero DSP, there's zero equalization. It's just completely flat, wide open, everything. I'm not even going to change the volume. In one of the clips I mentioned that I might need to change the volume because it's an 8 ohm sub, but I didn't because I had the volume all the way maxed out and I just said, screw it. So if you run across that driver where I said I may need to change the volume, and it sounds a little bit weak in the mids and bass, it's probably because it was an 8 ohm sub playing against all these 4 ohm, or 8 ohm speaker playing against all these 4 ohm speakers. Anyway, guys, enjoy. All right, guys, this is going to be the Machete LW65A4, and it's on the 600 watt amps, 150 watts per channel, so we're going to be playing much less than that. But I'm adding an AW tweeter. I'm going to take it out and put it back in the song, so you'll be able to hear what the driver sounds like with an appropriate tweeter alongside it. And I'm going to do that for each test. So I got one of them installed, one of them is just sitting up there. So let's get listening to it and see what it sounds like. Alright guys, for all these tests I'm going to be having the camera and everything in the same exact position, so we should get exactly the same sound if the drivers sound exactly the same, which they won't, but all other things will be equal. So again, we're going to start out with the tweeter in, and then I'm going to take it out.
It's like a dome, sub-stuffing trunks, neighbors hate winning. I wanna snake through cab like a python, and two so strong, like starting to flick. Horsepower, ground bass, drop kick like a mule. Ride low, windows down, speakers blast like a fool. Back road, single with the rhythm of our jam. Big ass power drive, shake the land. Subwoofers echo, make the car feel sway. Our music roar. Turn the party way, awake the night sky. Power lines crackle, we amplify. Trunks, neighbors hate winning. Now I snake through cab like a python, and juice hung so strong, like starting to flick. Horsepower, ground bass, drop kick like a mule. Ride low, windows down, speakers blast like a fool. Back road, single with the rhythm of our jam. Hands power drive, we shake the land. Subwoofers echo, make the car feel sway. Our music roar.
Alright guys, same test. This time we're doing the Goldwood Sound GW6028, and of course I got one out and one just sitting up here and then the one in the box. And for the test I'm going to be adding and taking away a Audio Dynamics 2000 series tweeter, so you'll be able to hear what it sounds like with and without a tweeter added.
starting to flick. Horsepower, round bass drop kick like a mule. Ride low, windows down, speakers blast like a fool. Back road tango with the rhythm of our jam. Big ass power drive, shake the land. Subwoofers echo, make the car feel sway. Our music roar. Turn the party way, awake the night sky. Power lines crackle, we amplify.
Guys, I've only got one of these, but I'm going to put this in here and let y'all hear it compared to the others. This is just this old 25 watt speaker that came out of, maybe even come out of this enclosure. But I want you to hear it with a tweeter just to give you an idea of what this total piece of crap might sound like. I really have no idea. We'll find out. All right, guys, get ready to hear the total dollar store thrift bin find with the tweeter, and then I'm gonna take the tweeter in and out like before. You'll be able to tell when this is happening. Let's go.
Hate winning. Now I shake through cab like a python, and too so strong, like starting to flick. Horsepower, round bass drop kick like a mule. Ride low, windows down, speakers blast like a fool. Back road tango with the rhythm of our jam. Subwoofers echo, make the car feel sway. Our music roar. Turn the party way, awake the night sky. Power lines crackle, we amplify.
Alright guys, for the next test, we're going to be running the Audio Dynamic 3000 series AVX 633. It's going to be using its own tweeter. This is the same tweeter I've been using in the other test, and having another one. But it's going to be doing its own thing. Just coaxial with no extra tweeter added. Alright guys, this is the highest end driver that I have. And yeah, this is number one. I've only got one of them, so we're going to give it to Beans. This is the Audio Dynamic 3000 series 6.5. Let's let her get, let it eat.
So strong, like starting to flick. Horsepower, round bass drop kick like a mule. Ride low, windows down, speakers blast like a fool. Back road tango with the rhythm of our jam. Big ass power drive, shake the land. Subwoofers echo, make the car feel sway. Our music roar. Turn the party way, awake the night sky. Power lines crackle, we amplify. starting to flick.
Alright, for the next victim, we're going to be doing the Hayan. These guys right here, ES65. We're going to be letting them be their own tweeter since they've already got a tweeter. And we're just going to rock them out. Let it go. Alright, here we go with the Hayankas. And only using their tweeter. Let's let them rock.
Cab like a python and two so strong, like starting to flick. Horsepower, ground bass, drop kick like a mule. Ride low, windows down, speakers blast. Full back road, tango with the rhythm of our jam. Big man style drive, shake the land. Subwoofers echo, make the cartwheel sway. Our music roar. Turn the party way, awake the night sky. Power lines crackle, we amplify. Trunks neighbors hate winning. Now I wanna snake through cab like a python and juice hum so strong, lights starting to flick. Horsepower, ground bass, drop kick like a mule. Ride low, windows down, speakers blast. Full back roads.
Alright guys, for the very last part of this, I'm going to add back the audio dynamic tweeter because I think that tweeter is pretty soft on that driver. So I want to show you what it would be like if you added another tweeter in addition to the ones that come with it. I want to back it up just a little bit. Here we go.
Tail weights like a thumbs up, stopping trunks, neighbors hate winning. Now I wanna snake through cab like a python and juice hum so strong, lights starting to flick. Horsepower, ground bass, drop kick like a mule. Ride low, windows down, speakers blast. Full back road, tango with the rhythm of our jam. Hands down, time to shake the land. Subwoofers echo, make the cornfield sway. Our music roar. Turn the quiet way, awake the night sky. Power lines crackle, we amplify high.
Well, there you go. The last section, of course, with the AD 3000 tweeter added to give it some fidelity. The tweeters in these seem to be a little mellow. There's not much top end to them, so they're a little more honky and not as much twinkly, if that makes any sense. And by the way, all of these tests are done with a completely flat EQ and zero crossovers. It's a full range signal going to every driver. Alright guys, if this video does well, then I'll make some more. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think about this. Do I need to make some more of these? And I'll listen to what you're saying, and I'm going to listen to the amount of views it gets. So if you want to see more of them, be sure to share this sucker and blast it all over the place so the other people can see it and get that view count up real high. And if it goes up real high, I'll be making more of these. Ha! See how I did that? Yeah, baby.